Hello to everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will explain expanded form of decimals. The first question is 345.268. The place values of this number 3 is in 100 place, so this place value 3 into 100. 4 is in tens place, 4 into 10. Next 5 is in ones place, so 5 into 1. Place 2 is in tens place, 1 by 10, 2 into 1 by 10, plus 6 is in hundredths place, 6 into 1 by 100, plus 8 is in thousands place, so 8 into 1 by 1000. This is the decimal point. Decimal before number is whole number, decimal after number is decimal number. Here TENS tens, here tens, TENTHS tens, that is the difference. Here 100 HUNDREDS, this one HUNDREDTHS, 100 hundredths, tens tenths, so that is the difference. Next 3 into 100 300, 4 into 10 40, 5 into 1 5, plus 2 into 1 by 10, 1 by 10 into 2, 2 by 10, plus 6 into 1 by 100, 6 by 100, 8 into 1 by 1000, 8 by 1000. We will go to the next one. 12.360. 2 is ones place, 1 is tens place. Here after decimal 3 is in tens place, 6 is in hundredths place, 0 is in thousands place. So 1 is in tens place, 1 into tens, place 2 into 1, place 3 into 1 by 10, place 6 into 1 by 100, place 0 into 1 by 1000. 1 tens are 10, 2 ones are 2, plus 3 ones are 3, 3 by 10, plus 6 ones are 6 by 100. 0 multiply with any fraction, that answer is 0. So not need that you can write it. Okay.